Could the answer to combating carbon pollution lie beneath this Cheshire countryside?
Actually, the ground beneath our feet may have some of the solutions to climate change, so we can decarbonise by using the rocks below our feet.
The British Geological Survey say understanding more about the underground environment will help improve the environment above ground.
For example, some of the sandstones that are in the UK, we have equivalents here in Cheshire, could be used for something called carbon capture and storage, where we bury carbon deep under the ground. Also, we'll be looking at geothermal energy research, and there are many other technologies we'll be looking at.
They'll sink 50 boreholes across a site covering more than 12 square kilometres over Ince Marshes in Cheshire. Shallow holes of between 50 and 100 metres will be looking at water quality underground and at how water moves through the rock. That should help to tackle the impact caused by surrounding industries. The deepest hole will burrow 1 kilometre into the ground. The scientists say that'll help research into future greener technologies.
The government's committed to carbon zero by 2050. That's only going to happen with science. Innovation is the way that we're going to achieve that. What this is going to do is characterise the rocks under our feet and give us information on how we can use those to move the economy to cleaner and greener future.
Well, Ince Marshes has long been of interest to the fracking industry, who believe there are large quantities of shale gas underneath the ground which could be worthy of exploitation. And there may be some round here who will see boreholes perhaps as a potential way of getting fracking into this area by the back door. Definitely not, say the British Geological Survey team.
This is a public funded science infrastructure looking at a whole host of environmental technologies.
But will this information that you gather aid the pro-fracking lobby?
Well, all the data that we're collecting will be released publicly in near real time as possible. So the data's there to empower everybody, from industry right through to green campaigners, to inform and help society make the right decisions.
They'll be gathering evidence here for the next 15 years.